Morning at the hall, blue sleeves and clipboards, Ocean View planning, coffee and paper cups, maps on the table, names lined in neat rows, talk of bright futures and where the next step goes. Primary school mornings, high school dreams in motion, teachers and parents sharing one clear view, books in every backpack, hope in every doorway, building that bridge for the young ones coming through.
You hold in your hand my destiny. You determine largely whether I shall
One summit,
succeed
one
or
purpose,
fail.
one steady fire.
Ocean View Civic
Association, making room for education. Ocean View Civic Association, for the schools, for the nation.
We want that in our schools. So if we have better playgrounds,
at this present moment, we've got no parent involvement, which means that all the responsibility lies on the teachers and people that are involved with the children during the day. So the parents involved.
It's also collective. And our first part is to
and for the children that does not have anybody at home and they must sit with us, we want this.
And that is where we're at. Sometimes I need to make sense of it. A child I would see at Ocean View High, maybe he was expelled because for whatever reason he dropped out, he or she. But then 7 o'clock in the morning they're on this strip across the road, making the loudest noise.
Ocean View Civic Association, for the schools, for the nation, for the nation, for the nation. From the first bell ringing to the last bell home, every child deserves a path and a place.